Okay, we're gonna react Happy Wheels, the series. Since I missed all the series, but now we're gonna react it. Alright, it starts right now. Oh, dang, Willie. Oh, okay, don't go to the amusement park. They asked for death permanently.
Alright, guys, let's spread care and be aware. Go Death!
You sure? Charles, don't go for it.
You came here to bring me back home.
Charles!
If I get in the pool,
No.
my legs will turn back into a tail?
No, Willie. No, Charles. You forgot your pills. I'm telling you, you forgot pills. You forgot pills.
Oh no! It's Cody, Carol, and Carol's work friend Darren. Oh, Darren is wearing Cody. Have to do something.
Oh.
Hello, everybody. We're from Deaths. That's the Defensive Educational Action
Deaths?
Health Society, everybody. Before we can let anyone ride, we have to conduct an official safety test. Please stand by. Hi, Cody. It's Daddy doing important things.
I think there's a feeling there's something wrong with that slingshot. I'm telling you. Me.
Be safe. Be safe. Continue.
Oh, that's why I can't stand that more. Oh. Dang.
Uh-oh.
Oh, here it comes. Here it comes. Go. Go, Janet. Go. Go. Oh, go back. Go back. Go, you doing, Dennis? Go. Go.
Not my best idea.
Yo, this is why I can't stand that more. I can't stand that more. Because it always keeps ruining my game. It keeps doing it for no reason. It causes a lot of chaos.
Good night, Cody.
Well, you lost your son. But you do lost legs. At least you got your arm.
But accidents were down 0.1%. Unless you count my broken watch. You can't win
Aw.
all. Ooh, look, funnel cakes.
Don't you do it. Don't do it. I'm telling you. Yo, this episode is crazy. I hope you enjoyed this video.